Hey guys, Marissa at KitchenTableStamper.com. This is one of the cards that we're making for Paper and Ink Cards. I do Paper and Ink Cards in the Chicago area in my home studio on the fourth Monday of the month, 6:30 p.m. Unless it's a holiday, all adult crafters are welcome. This is one of the cards that we're making for December, and I thought I'd run you through a video and talk with you a little bit about some exciting product that's available while supplies last. So let me go through the supplies you'll need to make this card. Stampin' Up! Supplies are the Making Christmas Bright Bundle. It's a photopolymer stamp set and the the light bulb punch. And we're going to use this star from here and the punch. We're also using the Making Everyday Bright stamp set. We use our little penguin and snowflake and heart. Just love this set. It's an add-on that coordinates with the bundle. It's in the holiday catalog 2018 and available while supplies last. My greeting came from Abstract Impressions, and there's so much to love about you. This is in the annual catalog, 2018-2019 annual catalog. I used my layering circles framelits on this card. My Stampin' pads for this project are Memento Tuxedo Black, Coastal Cabana, Real Red, and Daffodil Delight. I'm using the Sweet Season washi tape, and I'm going to grab this little polka dot tape out of there. This is while supplies last and on sale last time I checked. So check out these holiday catalog products and get them while you can. Some of them are on a nice discount. My consumable materials are Coastal Cabana card base, and this is 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. I've got a piece of Whisper White. Now this is available on the project sheet for download on the blog. If you're watching on the blog, it's the link right under the video. If you're watching on YouTube, there's a link to the blog post where you'll find the project sheet right under the embedded video. This is 5 by 3 3/4. I've got a scrap 3 by 1 for Stampin' My Penguins, and my Whisper White circle is 2 7/16 from the layering circles. Real Red is 2 9/16 from the same layering circles. Alright, let's get stamping. I'm going to grab my ink pads and my Stampin' Pierce mat. We'll get this going. Okay, so I got my Stampin' Pierce mat and my ink pads. I'm going to protect the surface of my Stampin' Pierce mat because the first thing we're going to do is take this Whisper White panel and we're going to do our background stamping, which is random and off the edges. So we'll take our little snowflake. I like to build out the biggest element first, and we're going to just stamp. Keep it in mind kind of a zigzag or triangle because that's pleasing to the eye. We can dry fit our little scallop in there so we know what's going to get covered and what's not, because you want some to peek out from underneath the scallop and some to go off the edge of the cardstock. That's very pleasing to the eye. It looks natural. Alright, then we're going to move in with our Real Red and the little heart image. The heart and the snowflake are from the Making Everyday Bright stamp set. Alright, so there's my little hearts. Next up is a little star. This one is from the Making Christmas Bright stamp set, and that's the stamp set that you can bundle with the light bulb punch. Alright, so I'm going to stamp in some stars here. And I want one to kind of peek out from behind my scallop, so I'm going to arrange for that. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with my little background sprinkle. I think that looks pretty good. I actually want to just maybe widen this a little bit, I think, but I can't decide if I want a heart or if I want, I think I want a heart. There. I want it a little bit wider up at the top there. Alright, so that's looking good. Let's get rid of the background here for a minute and bring in circle and our greeting. I'm going to ink that up with Memento and stamp that just centered. It's a nice bold greeting. All right, then our penguins. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stamp my penguins one this way and one this way so they're easy to punch out. And before I finish, there's also a little stamp that is made to fill in his hat. So you don't have to color that, just stamp it in. I chose Coastal Cabana. You can use any of the 3 colors. I'll just fill in the hat, and then the little heart, we're gonna have one of our little birds holding onto a heart. So we'll stamp it right over his little flippers there, like he's holding onto it. How cute. All right, so we're done stamping, so I'm gonna clear away all the ink pads, and then we'll assemble this card. Okay, so we've got our pieces here. Let's go ahead and assemble. I'm gonna take some snail adhesive, and I'm going to adhere my There's So Much to Love About You centered in my scallops. And then I'm gonna go ahead and adhere that flat with snail adhesive. You can use multi-purpose liquid glue if you like that one better. And I'm gonna put that one in where we had auditioned it. My centered is not exactly centered. All right, I do like that about snail. You got a little bit of wiggle room sometimes. If you don't go crazy with how much adhesive you use, you can fix it up. All right, love that. Now a little more snail. We're going to snail the whole panel to the card, and we're gonna do it at a tilt. I don't always do a tilt, but I'm really excited about that. I think it was cute and whimsical. And I used the polka dot pattern on the sample, but I'm gonna use this plaid on this sample and show off the gorgeous patterns in this washi tape. Looks just as good, I think, with the plaid. And there's, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but the small line in the plaid is a silver metallic. It's gorgeous. All right, now my light bulb punch, and I'm gonna punch my little penguin out. Look how cute he is. And punch him out. I bought this Making Everyday Bright set just for this penguin. I absolutely love it. All right, I'm gonna use my snips and just cut off the little bulb end at the bottom of him there. And just cut kind of a rounded flat. There. Now we need some dimensionals. I'm gonna use the very end of a mini dimensionals here. I got the edge left over from something. So I'll pop a little piece on the back of each of these dudes. Okay, they're all sticky. I like my little penguin with the heart right up kind of against love and a little bit of a tilt and angle, because you know how they waddle when they walk. And then my other dude without the heart. And there it is. There's so much to love about you. All right, if you've got any questions about the holiday catalog year-end closeout or classes in the Chicago area, or if there's anything I can do for you to help you stay crafty, email me, marisa@kitchentablestamper.com. You can shop Stampin' Up 24/7 at marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching.